It's a great progress.
What's coming?
Pretty exciting.
Love it.
Catchy.
Really like it.
It's just sleek.
To me, they look like art.
It's looking very sleek, very innovative.
I can't get the smile out of my face.
I love the design.
First impressions, of course, it's about design.
They're beautiful.
Maybe a lot of them are similar to each other, but I like how it is a sleeker, rounder than the boxier version.
It's eye-catching. It looks like something straight out of Cyberpunk. So I love it. I can't wait for it to be on the streets.
It's an EV that actually looks good.
The minimalism of everything is great. That's exactly what I need.
Very careful study in terms of aerodynamics.
So that will be a good car going down the road. When people are seeing it, it's definitely going to catch their attention.
Makes a lot more sense possibly to start with that as a production model.
And I assume it to be very comfortable to sit on. So
It's exactly the family car.
And like the back seat has a lot of space as well, and like the glass makes all the way back, a lot of light coming in.
You can now sort of see the glimpses of how it could actually make it out on the street.
What you get when you first buy it is not what you're gonna have, and so the idea of having something that learns you more and customizes more to you is really exciting.
The fact that they showed like, hey, it's gonna know when you're sad, maybe it reads your facial recognition, and I'll put on some of my favorite music to cheer me up. It's pretty exciting.
Level 3 autonomous driving, just great, and that's the future.
The thing which I love about it is you are not learning car, but car is learning about you.
Everyone knows the ASIMO.
Very human-like, and that's what ASIMO kind of did. It kind of bridged some robotics with humankind.
And I think it really suits as a name for an operative system for the cars of the next generations.
A friendship between the electronics through AI and human beings, and so it'll be really interesting to see the future for that. Yeah.
ASIMO and the new cars, that's a perfect match.
It's a new chapter for Honda.
Such a great impact.
Trying to make the user experience much better.
Look really cool, feel nice, comfortable.
EV is the future.
Everybody will like it.
Future looks bright.